Good morning, Emily and Alex.
Good morning.
Everything okay?
Yes.
And good morning, Benjamin and Mama.
Good morning.
Hey. And yeah, good morning for me as well. Yeah, we have a Sunday again. So let's see what we're gonna doing today. Starting first now with the breakfast. Yeah, so today we're going for Sukhumvit, yeah, and we are at a shop right now from two of my ex-staff. Yeah, they're working before at my office, yeah, and then they decided, okay, we want to go out and want to try business by ourselves. So they opened a small shop. It looks like this here, yeah, where you then have a lot of choice. They don't have only soup noodle, they have rice dishes, yeah, as well. A small coffee corner if you would like to. And there they are. This is Jeb and wood. That was delicious, huh, Mama? Yes. Yeah, total bill was 235 baht, including the drinks. We arrived now at the Phuket Bird Park. Now we thought, okay, it's a Sunday, yeah, family day, so yeah, why not bring the children to here? And you as well, because I think we never made a video about this place here also. Maybe a little bit info about the entrance fee. Yeah, so for foreigners it's 500 baht for adults and 300 baht for children, and for Thai people it's 100 baht for adults and 50 baht for children. Yeah, today or here this place they accepted also my Thai driving license, so what actually saved me 400 baht. And the rabbits here also, huh, Emily? Huh? Mũ hả? Không phải. Oh, Ben! You have something on your head. He don't move. They massage Alex.
อร่อยไหมอร่อยไหม
And how was the bird park, Emily?
Well, really good.
Really good. You've been here many times already from your school also, no?
Yeah, and look my hand.
Ah, from the bird sit on your arm, huh? Ooh. And Alex, do you like it?
Like.
Yeah, like. Mama? Very good. Huh? Little one, very good. Huh? He is super tired now already. He nearly fall asleep during the show. Yeah. I have to say also, okay, the bird park is very good. You can spend here around 2 hours. It's good, especially when you have children as well. The show was very nice. They made it also quite funny. So yeah, recommend coming to here. Yeah, I will put the Google Maps for you down in the description as well. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video from today. Yeah, leave us a like, write us some comment if you would like to know something. Subscribe if you aren't already, and then we see us very soon in the next one. Bye bye.